Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Polar Ignite to your phone. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need to download the Polar Flow app from your phone's App Store, whether it's the App Store or Google Play. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and that airplane mode is completely off. Also, ensure your Polar Ignite watch has at least 20% battery life. Finally, open the Flow app and either create a new Polar account or sign into your existing one. Now let's pair your Polar Ignite with your phone. On your watch, press the button to open the menu, then scroll to Settings and tap to select. From there, go to General Settings, then Pair and Sync, and finally choose Pair and Sync Phone. Your watch will display a message to open the Flow app. On your phone, the app should detect your watch. Tap Start and confirm the pairing code that appears on both devices. Once paired, syncing your data is straightforward. Simply open the Polar Flow app on your phone. Then, on your Polar Ignite watch, press and hold the back button for a few seconds. You'll see messages like Connecting to Phone and Connecting to App appear on your watch. After a short moment, syncing completed will be displayed, confirming that all your latest activity and health data has been successfully transferred to the app. Encountering issues? Don't worry, here are some quick troubleshooting tips. First, try turning your phone's Bluetooth off and then on again. A simple restart of both your Polar Ignite watch and your smartphone can also resolve many problems. For Android users, ensure the Polar Flow app has location permissions enabled in your phone settings. If all else fails, unpair your watch from your phone's Bluetooth settings and then repair it through the Polar Flow app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.